morning students. In the previous session we discussed about dihybrid cross and Mendelian laws of inheritance. Today's discussion is gene interaction. The interaction of alleles of gene or more than a set of genes control a phenotype is said to be gene interaction. According to Mendelian experiments, a single gene controls one character. But in the post-Mendelian findings, various exceptions have been noticed. These are non-Mendelian or post-Mendelian inheritance patterns. What is non-Mendelian inheritance? Those inheritance patterns which are not obey the rules of Mendel and also the ratio which is differ from the Mendelian mono and dihybrid cross. Gene interaction concept was introduced and explained by W. Bateson. This concept is otherwise called factor hypothesis or Bateson's factor hypothesis. According to Bateson factor hypothesis, gene interaction is of two types. They are allelic or androgenic or interlocus gene interaction and non-allelic or intergenic or interlocus gene interaction. Intragenic interactions. Intra means within. So, interaction takes place between the alleles of the same gene, that is, alleles at the same locus. It includes the following: dominant relationship, lethal genes, and multiple alleles. Dominant relationship has four types. They are complete dominance. Example, monohybrid cross, tall and dwarf pea plant. Already we studied. Next, incomplete dominance, codominance and overdominance. In lethal genes have 5 types of interactions. They are dominant lethal, recessive lethal, conditional lethal, sex-linked lethal and balanced lethal. First, let's see about incomplete dominance. In the year 1905, the German botanist Karl Lorenz did experiments on 4 o'clock plant. Its botanical name is Mirabilis jalapa. He observed that when pure breeding homozygous red capital R1 parent is crossed with homozygous white capital R2, the phenotype of the F1 hybrid is heterozygous, that is pink, R1, R2. This F1 heterozygous phenotype totally differs from both the parental homozygous phenotype. This cross did not exhibit the character of dominant parent, but an intermediate color pink. According to Mendel, it should be red. But in this case, dominant allele R1 is not completely dominant to another allele. So, it shows incomplete dominance. Such allelic interaction is known as incomplete dominance. When pink color plants of F1 were interbred, in F2, both phenotypic and genotypic ratio were found to be identical as 1:2:1, that is 1 red, 2 pink, 1 white, and genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. Next one is codominance. Codominance is a type of dominant inheritance in which both the alleles of the same gene express their phenotype in the heterozygous condition. The phenotype of both the alleles are expressed equally without blending. Here, neither of the allele is recessive. Now, let's see codominance in Camellia species. When pure breeding red flower of Camellia species crossed with white, here we got new phenotype in F1, neither red nor white, but white with red dotted flowers. Effect of both parental character is red and white shown in the F1 generation. So it is called codominance. Co means presence of both of the alleles together, because both alleles acting as a dominant factor that show up in the next generation. The F1 heterozygous produce a F2 progeny in a phenotypic and genotypic ratios of 1:2:1. One red, two white with red dotted and one white. Another one example, in human being, a disease called sickle cell anemia. Here, RBC cell becomes sickle or crescent moon-like. Reason for this, allele which is responsible for round shape of RBC undergo mutation, which means sudden change and causes sickle cell anemia. The symptom of this disease is organism does not get proper oxygen supply. Now see this slide here. If the alleles are homozygous dominant, C capital N, C capital N, blood cells are round. If the alleles are homozygous recessive, that is CS, CS, the blood cells are sickle shape. And person with affected with sickle cell anemia. If this anemic person marry normal person, the F1 carries both character, that is CNCS. Here F1 is anemic carrier and both alleles are expressed. It is called codominance. Another one example for codominance, ABO blood group. If our blood group is A, the blood cells contain immunoglobulin homozygous dominant allele IAIA or IA and small I. Small I is the allele for recessive. Here IA is dominant, so the F1 have blood type A. Similarly, if our blood is B, the blood cells contain homozygous dominant allele IB, immunoglobulin B or immunoglobulin IB and small I. If our blood group is AB, the blood cells contain IA and IB. Here both parents are dominant. It is called codominance. The codominance was demonstrated in plants with the help of electrophoresis or chromatography for protein or flavonoid substance. Electrophoresis is a process, the movement of charged particles in a fluid or gel under the influence of an electric field. Example, Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium stutianum. These are kinds of cotton plants. Their F1 hybrid was tested for seed proteins by electrophoresis. See the image of different bands in the slide here. Both the parents have different banding patterns for their seed protein. In hybrids, additive banding pattern was noticed. Their hybrid shows the presence of both the types of proteins similar to their parents. It is called codominance. Next one is lethal genes. Its real meaning is all genes in an organism is not always good. Some genes kill the organisms itself. Such genes are called lethal genes. Here, an allele which has the potential to cause the death of the organism is called a lethal allele. Most of the lethal genes are recessive, so the plant will die. In 1907, Erwin Barr reported a lethal gene in Andirrhinum species. It is commonly called snapdragon plant. In snapdragon, 3 kinds of plants noticed. Green plants with chlorophyll, its genotype capital C, capital C. Second one, golden leaved plants with carotenoids are referred to as pale green, golden or aria plants, capital C, small c. Third one, white plants without any chlorophyll, small c, small c. Now, a cross between two Andirrhinum aria or golden leaved plants, capital C, small c crossed with capital C, small c, it produce white, yellow and green plants in the ratio 1:2:1. Due to lack of chlorophyll, white plants fail to survive or die. The ratio is modified to 1:2. In this case, the homozygous recessive genotype small c is lethal. The term lethal is applied to those changes in the genome of an organism which causes death. The fully dominant or fully recessive lethal gene kills the carrier individual only in its homozygous condition. If green is lethal, the genotype ratio will be 2:1. If white is lethal, the genotype will be 1:2. Next topic is pleiotropism. In pleiotropy, the one gene affects or influences multiple traits and alter the phenotype of the organism. The pleiotropic gene influences number of characters simultaneously, and such genes are called pleiotropic gene. For example, pea plant with purple flowers, brown seeds and dark spot on axil of leaf were crossed with white flowers, light color seeds and no spot on the axil of leaves. Here the 3 characters or traits for flower color, seed color and a leaf axil spot all were inherited together as a single unit. All these traits controlled by single gene. It is called pleiotropy.